Parliament represents the temple of democracy, and our speaker is the chief priest. And his allegations are true, and it's shocking. And going by the norms, the opposition is hell bent to take every rule into their own hands, bringing disrepute to the entire proceedings. But otherwise, the Prime Minister's question on the opposition that why couldn't they ink deals, such as the mother of all deals between the European Union and the US, this question is valid. And those who make allegations, the Aam Aadmi Party's government, which was drowned in liquor scam and which got drowned because of it, and the lavish expenditure that took place for Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. And these are all the points of discussion that could happen in the parliament if the opposition really intends to question on each and every news that comes out. And yes, as a ruling government, we have the free hand to question them as well. So it should be a place where there is discussions and exchanges happens in a more matured way, which could lead to a larger consensus.
So even in his speech, he mentioned about Congress, TMC, and DMK, left parties also, even when they were also in power in states. But during this time, buffers was mentioned when deals were discussed. How do you see this?
So the dynast parties who believe in running a dynast rule, and their list of corruptions is too long, starting from 2G, Colgate, Commonwealth Games, name any scam that has brought shame to India on a global arena. This took place when Congress, DMK and other parties were in power and they were sharing power at the center. Not only Bofos, the list is endless. So they have a moral responsibility to give the answer, proper answer in front of judiciary and as well as to the people of India. And these people are running from pillar to post to save their skin from the clutches of judiciary. That's a reality.
So Congress, DMK and India Bloc MPs have just boycotted yesterday while Prime Minister was speaking about. How do you see this?
No, they are trying to make a noise so that they can grab the attention of the media. The sole intent to grab attention of the media. They are not there to represent the welfare of the people. Their only narration is saving democracy and saving India. For that, they make loud noises to grab the attention of the media. Otherwise, there is nothing concrete in their hands for the development of the nation and the upliftment of those people who voted them.